Hello people, welcome back to our channel Pinch of Everything.
There is a big news for all the family members of Pinch of Everything. We have now 1000 subscribers on our channel. Thank you so much for all your support. Keep on sharing the love by subscribing to our channel.
Hope you are doing well during these days as lockdown is still going on. Today we are making something with the king of the fruits, that is mangoes. I know that your mouth must be watering after listening this. Today the dessert in the menu is mango firni. So why wait? Let's get started. Add 2 glasses of fresh milk in a pan. Then take 4 tablespoons of rice. We have soaked them in water for an hour. Drain out the water and blend the rice in a blender to make a coarse powder. Add very little water if required. Give it a nice blend. So you can see the paste is ready. This is exactly the right consistency which we want. Now let's have a look at our pan. Stir the milk and let it come to a boil. Now we will be adding our blended rice into the pan slowly. Keep on stirring it in between. You can also add saffron to the milk to enhance the flavor. Simmer the heat, keep on stirring it and let it cook for some time. Time to add 3 to 4 spoons of sugar as we are making mango firni. So friends, depending upon the sweetness of the mangoes, we are adding 3 to 4 spoons of sugar. You can also add more if you want. Now mix the sugar into it and cook the milk till it is reduced to half and our firni has reached a desired consistency. Once it will come, we will show you the consistency. Now you can see a nice boil is coming. Do keep on stirring it in between because it is very important while making the firni. Now you can see a nice boil is coming, a nice consistency is coming. Meanwhile, we have taken a mango and blended to make a mango puree. Time to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mango puree into it. Give it a nice stir. Now once it is mixed nicely, the color will automatically change. We have saved some mango puree for the last step that we will show you later on while serving the firni. Stir it nicely, let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Then switch off the heat and let the firni cool down. Friends, also keep in mind that the firni will further thickens up on cooling. Now while our firni is getting ready, we are taking one more yummy mango, peel it nicely and chop it into thin slices. The slices should be thin like this. I can surely say that this recipe will turn out to be a favorite one in your family. After all, who doesn't enjoy eating mangoes during summer? Now you can see our firni is absolutely ready and it is looking very yummy. Time to serve it up in a bowl, or you can also take a jar like we are taking. Serve it in a jar. The mango firni, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of mango puree which we have saved it, and make a layer inside it. This will make our mango puree more yummy and tempting to eat. Spread it nicely and then again add a layer of mango firni onto it. Garnish it with few almonds, or you can also take pistachios. Whatever is available at your home, you can add them. And now comes my favorite and the best part of this recipe. We are giving a little twist, as presentation really matters, not just the taste. So we are taking the thin mango slices. Roll the first piece carefully around the jar like this. After that, wrap the second slice of the mango around the first piece, making sure that it covers the corners of the mango petals. Repeating the same process, keep on placing the mango slices like this. Friends, you have to be a little careful while doing this. And here you go. Our rose-shaped mango firni jar is ready. Isn't it looking absolutely yummy? I know you all must be waiting to try this recipe. So go and try this recipe to beat the heat of the summer. This jar of deliciousness is a bowl of heaven. Share this recipe with all your mango lovers and your family members. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also friends, please do give the feedback after trying this recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a happy cooking.